What's up, my name's TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and in this video I've got something a bit different for you. So the new Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War comes with an HD texture pack as an optional download. It adds 40 or so gigs to your install size and possibly has a huge performance impact. That's exactly what I went exploring today. Does the Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War HD texture pack actually have an impact on gameplay and performance? Well, unfortunately, while I haven't got a 4K or 8K display to test it on, and my graphics card isn't exactly top of the range, I do have a 1080 Ti and I played the game on a 2K monitor. The results that I came out with were rather interesting. First, I'll showcase downloading and installing this HD texture pack, then at the end of the video, I'll go through some benchmarks to show you the difference between having it installed and not having it installed. So how exactly do you go ahead and install this HD texture pack for Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War? Well, it's really simple. First of all, open up your Blizzard, then simply select Call of Duty Black Ops Cold War, head across to Options, and then click Modify Install at the very bottom of that list. Then, next to Game Content, click Modify Install, and the very bottom option there should be High Resolution Assets. Hovering over the question mark will give you some more info. Required for high resolution assets. Players who play on 4K monitors and play with ultra settings will benefit the most from this pack. Simply tick it, then click Confirm. After clicking Start Update, your game should download 40 or so gigabytes, which are all the HD textures. While this is downloading, you are still able to launch up the game and play, and then resume it when you're done playing later. This download doesn't stop you from playing the game. Then when it's finally downloaded and installed, you can head across to the settings in game and check your texture settings. I'm pretty sure if you have everything set to the maximum, then this HD texture pack will be used fully. Of course, if you check this menu without having the HD texture pack installed, what you'll see is a download button. Upon clicking it, it asks you to restart your game, and when you do, it asks you to download it in the Blizzard launcher and gives you an option to quit out to said launcher. So without further ado, what performance impact does it make? Well, on screen now, you see the performance of the HD texture pack and not having the HD texture pack installed. What's the difference? Basically nothing. FPS is practically the same, memory usage is almost the same other than a few hundred megabytes, and everything else is literally exactly the same. I wasn't monitoring my RAM usage, but I'm quite sure that didn't change too much as well. As far as I can tell, it just swapped out lower res textures with better, higher quality textures, and it didn't make too much of a difference in something like VRAM, which was really surprising. So, should you go ahead and download and install this HD texture pack? Well, if you're already playing on ultra settings, on a 2K or above monitor, and of course have 40 or so gigs to spare, why not? There's no performance impact that I can see, there's only a visual impact that you can see if you really look close. So that's pretty cool. Now that we've basically answered the main question of this video, do you want to download the HD texture pack? Well, the simple answer is yes, if you have hard disk space and you're willing to download it. So that's basically where I'm ending this video. It's really interesting to see that there's basically no performance impact. I personally will keep this installed until I find a need to clear out 40 gigs of space, and when I do, this will be the first thing that I delete. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNobo here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.
Everyone else can take a powder. Apartment's just up ahead. Hans only bought us 15 minutes. We need to hit Kasim hard and fast. Let's go.